Readline is a method from the class BufferReader. So we need to create the BufferReader object to access readline. So when we use readline, the method, we try to read a line of characters through the keyboard. So this is going to return a string object. And if we want a numeric form of the string, we are using parsing. Integer.parseInt, parse byte coming from the wrapper class byte, parse float from the wrapper class float, parse double from the wrapper class double. So the reader classes, it's character oriented stream. Reader classes help us to read a character or a string of characters, combination of characters. Boolean values cannot be entered through the keyboard. Let us now understand how to input a character constant. Using readline, if I press A, it is going to be in a form of a string. So when I use readline, any character or set of characters that you input during runtime, it will be read in form of a string. So in case I press 1 during runtime, this is going to be a string constant, which can be converted into the integral value 1 using integer.parseInt. We would like to receive a character and represent the character constant. A single keystroke is a character for us. A single keystroke, which can be a letter, which can be a digit, which can be a special symbol. So read will help us to read the single keystroke, and the method read goes on to read the integral value associated with the character. So the return type is going to be int. It reads the single keystroke in form of its ASCII equivalent, which means that if I press 2, this is the character representation, but the system is going to read it as 50. 50 is the integral code associated with the character constant 2 that we have entered during runtime. I would like to get the character representation for the equivalent ASCII 50. So we use typecast operator here, explicitly typecasting the integer higher to lower. As we understand, char and int both are compatible data type. I can go on to convert the ASCII into equivalent character constant and the character constant into its integral equivalent, which is the ASCII code. So we can just go on to merge these two lines of code. For instance, I'm trying to read a character, so we make use of the method read. So when I make use of the method read, it's going to read a single keystroke. Even if you enter many characters, it's going to read the very first character. The rest of them will be ignored or not read at all. In case of readline, all the characters will be read, and hence it goes in form of a string. Here only the very first character will be read in form of a character. So this is the integral code. We are further typecasting it, so both the lines of code have been merged into one. In case I don't want an extra variable, I just want the character representation, so we are receiving the character and getting it printed on the screen. And in case you want to avoid any extra variable, you are just typecasting the character into its integer equivalent to print the ASCII value associated with it. I hope this is understood, further which we will be understanding how to use a character constant and write few programs. Thank you so much.